So long back, we started with the vector differentiation. Hope it is visible to you. Okay. So the topic consists of five different parts: directional derivative, vector identities, irrotational vector field, solenoidal vector field, and tangent and normal to the given curve. Okay. Then we have written references for the course outcome is okay. Then we started with the scalar point function. So it is like a scalar only, right? So having magnitude only, but it is in form of a function, scalar point function. Okay. So for example, phi equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Psi equal to x square y plus y square z plus z is any function of x y z, which is free from the ijk, free from the vector. Okay. Whereas vector quantity, vector point function is a vector quantity f bar which depends upon position of the point, that is xyz, for its values. Okay. So for example, f bar equal to x y I plus y z j plus zx k. Okay, and a few more examples are given. Okay. Then level surfaces, for example, isotherm, right? Lines of the same temperature, right? Isotherm, isobar, lines of the same pressure. Isobar, I think you might know. Okay, contours, lines of the same curves of, in fact, curves of the same height, known as contours. These are the level surfaces. Then we started with a new concept known as del or nebula operator, and it is I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z. It is vector quantity. So in the whole topic, what our aim is to study the properties of del when it is operated on scalar and when it is operated on vector. When it is operated on scalar, we have grad phi, which is a vector quantity, gradient of phi. When del is operated on a vector, two different ways are there. We can take dot product or we can take cross product. When dot product is taken, resultant is a scalar known as divergence of f bar. And when cross product is taken, the resultant is a vector known as curl of f bar. Okay. Then we started with the definition of gradient of phi. When a vector differential operator del is operated on a scalar point function phi of x, y, z, the resultant is a vector quantity and it is known as gradient of phi. So here it is given what the grad of phi is. I del phi by del x plus j del phi by del y plus k del phi by del z. This is the gradient of phi. Okay, just 1 minute. Then we revised three-dimensional geometry. Direction cosines we know, suppose alpha, beta, gamma are angles made by a line with x, y, z axis. Then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma known as direction cosines. And they are denoted by L and N. And we know that L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. Then one example is given over here. Direction cosines of the line L1 are 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3. Okay. And direction cosines of line L2 are 1 upon root 2, 0 and minus 1 upon root 2. Direction cosines are unique, whereas direction ratios are any three numbers which are proportional to direction cosines. So, for example, if these are the direction cosines, then multiply these three numbers by any non-zero number, say 2. So, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, 2 by 3. These are the direction cosines and so on. Now, what is the relation between L, M, and ABC? This is the relation. L equal to plus minus A divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Same is true for M and N. Okay. Next, then we have written equation of straight line in different form. Line passing through the 2 points. So, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. Okay. Then line passing through a point and having direction ratios ABC is x minus x1 by A equal to y minus y1 by B equal to z minus z1 by C. Okay. Comparing about two equations, it is clear that if 2 points on the line are known, we can find direction ratios: x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay. So if ABC are direction ratios of a line, then direction of the line in a vector form is AI plus BJ plus CK. Remember this, very important. Normal to a surface. So grad phi is normal to a surface phi equal to C. ये याद रखना है. Then tangent to a curve. If r bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk is the equation of curve, then tangent is dr bar by dt equal to dx by dt I plus dy by dt j plus dz by dt k. Directional derivative. So very important formulas. Suppose here now understand, this is phi equal to c one level surface. This is phi plus delta phi equal to c. This is another level surface. For example, suppose temperature is 30 degrees Celsius here, and here it is 35 degrees Celsius. And our aim is to find rate of change of temperature with respect to some direction, say along the direction a bar. Okay, and the rate of change of phi along the direction a bar is given by grad of phi dot a cap. Okay, so this is the formula to find directional derivative. Remember it. Directional derivative will be maximum when distance is minimum, and distance between these two surfaces is minimum when there is a normal. So direction ratio is maximum along normal, that is along grad phi. Now, what is magnitude of this maximum directional derivative? Mod of grad phi, that's it. Then we started with the example. The question was like this: find directional derivative of phi equal to some function is given at 2 minus 1 2. A part is in the direction of 2i minus 3j plus 6k. Second is towards the point I plus j plus k, and last is along equally inclined line. Okay, I think we solve the first part. Started with the phi equal to whatever is given. Okay, this is the phi. Then partial derivative of phi with respect to x, y, and z were obtained. They were substituted here. And since our aim is to find the directional derivative at 2 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 2. So x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 2, and from there we got the grad phi 8i plus 48j plus 84k. On the next page, we obtain directional derivative along the direction a bar 2i minus 3j plus 6k. For that, modulus of a bar is obtained and then a cap is obtained. Okay, so this is the a caps, and then directional derivative is grad phi dot a cap, and then it is multiplied to get the required solution. Okay, hope this is clear. Any doubt here? Anyone solve the next part? किसी ने next part solve किया है क्या? इसमें दो part थे ना? तीन part in fact. Find directional derivative towards the point I plus j plus k. अरे किसी ने सॉल्व किया है क्या? बताओ. यस, चलो हम सॉल्व करते हैं. चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. Right. To find directional derivative position vector is I plus j plus k. So what are the coordinates of point Q? 1 1 1. Coefficient of I j k. Okay, so this is one level surface. Now understand, phi equal to c. This is another level surface. Phi plus delta phi equal to c. Okay, this is the point P. The point where we want to find directional derivative 1 minus 1 2. एक बार check करके आप बताओ सही है या नहीं. Our aim is to find directional derivative at 2 minus 1 2, and towards the point Q. This is the point Q. What is the point Q? 1 1 1. Okay. So now understand how to solve the numeric part. हाँ, थोड़ा समझना है आपको. So position vectors. 2i minus j plus 2k obtained from the coordinates of point P. Huh? Okay, and then what is PQ bar? Position vector of last point, terminal point, minus position vector of initial point. चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. I minus 2i minus I, j plus j, 2j, k minus 2k, so minus k. That is a bar. Our aim is to find directional derivative along a bar towards the point I plus j plus k. It means that to find directional derivative along the PQ bar. इसको अच्छे से समझना है, हाँ. So then we have to find modulus of a bar. Find it. Six. Okay. अब डायरेक्शनल डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करते हैं. Grad phi dot a cap. Grad phi. Grad phi that we already obtained in previous lecture. थोड़ा सा चेक कीजिए सही है क्या. Okay, so 1 upon root 6, this is scalar, therefore outside. Components of I, components of j, k. Simplify. Four by root 6. Is it 4 by root 6? Everyone is getting same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Next. Okay, let me change the page. Hope everyone is here. Equally inclined line. Direction ratios. One, one, one. So Okay, a cap is obtained. Just 1 minute. One meeting is there. You just find the answer. Grad phi is already known to us that we used previously. A cap is known to us. Find the answer. Give me 1 minute.
हा सर बोला सर.
सर काहीतरी एक HOD ची मीटिंग आहे तर ती तुम्हाला अटेंड करायची आहे हो. हा नाही मी लेक्चर मध्ये आहे. हा ठीक hope you might have obtained the answer. Hope you might have understood how to find the dot product. 1 upon root 3 is outside. I component 8 into 1. J component. K component. So what the addition is?
140 by root 3.
140. Okay, this is the directional derivative. Sure. We'll go through the next example. Write down next example. One minute. Let me start one good example. Find second example. Directional derivative. Find directional derivative of xy square plus yz cube at 1 minus 2 3 along the line yes solution run right given phi equal to So write down del phi by del x y square del phi by del y partial derivative, huh? एक 5-10 मिनिटांमध्ये कॉल अर्ध्या तासानंतर कॉल करतो लेक्चर मध्ये. ठीक आहे. Okay. Now write on next page. Page number 23. Write on grad phi equal to gradient of phi. Huh? This is known as a gradient of phi. So y square I to find directional derivative at 1 minus 2 3, that is y square. Y is minus 2 square 2xy, so minus 4 z cube 9 2y and z square.
सर
हाँ
z क्यूब 27 ना
क्यूब आहे का नाही स्क्वेअर आहे ना रे
z क्यूब 27
अच्छा इथे काय
क्यूब 27
ओके म्हणजे किती होईल हे 23 please make the required change. Okay, then around. Yes, this is the first part. Now we have to find direction A bar.
$54K असणार ना
पुढे
3 बाय z स्क्वेअर आहे ना मग 54 असणार
3
54K
sorry, huh? Absolutely. 54K. Please make the required change. Okay, so to find directional derivative along the line 2 x minus 2 1 minus y. What is equation of line? Like this. Ax minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. So what is coefficient of x, y, z? 1. Right? What is required? The coefficient of x, y, z should be 1. So coefficients are. What are coefficients of x2? What is coefficient of y? Minus 1, but we have to consider a numerical value here. Huh? So 3. So we have to consider positive value. Okay. Then LCM. We have to obtain LCM of 2, 1, 3. And what is that? 6. Okay. So dividing above equation by 6. So 2 x minus 2 divided by 6, 1 minus y divided by 6, 3 z minus 4 divided by 6. Simplify this. So it is x minus 2 divided by 3. But now coefficient of x, y, z should be plus 1. So in second ratio, multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. Yes, multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. So x minus 2 by 3, y minus 1 divided by minus 6. So what is conclusion? DRs, direction ratios of line R. So what is A bar? What are the directions? 3i minus 6j plus 2k. What is mod of A bar? 3 square minus 6 square, 4 square. So 7. So what is A cap? One upon 7. Getting everyone? Okay, so now we know grad phi, right? We know the directionals, A capels. Now finding directional derivative is not a difficult part. I'll do that on the next page. Can I change the page now? So 42354. फोर आई 23J इधर संग पता मुझे थोड़ा सा इतना सही है क्या? Is it minus 54 last term?
Yes, sir.
This is also, hope this is also correct. Yes, just add and tell me what the answer is. Yes, what the answer is? Correct? Minus 234 divided by 7. This is correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Ada. Type 2. Right, type 2.
सर ते 27 आहे ना
Which one is 27?
ते 23 into -6 लिहिलंय ते 23 जे
4i plus 23j minus 54k ना?
हाँ
On last page I corrected it. Instead of writing coefficient as 3, I by mistake had written it as 2, and therefore instead of 36 it is 54.
नाही सर ते 23 लिहिलंय तुम्ही 27 आहे ना
अच्छा ते म्हणतोस का नाही 23 आहे ना ते 27 minus 4 आहे रे तिकडे
हा हा
राईट
7 minus 4.
हा ओके सरळ डायरेक्शनल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह along tangent to a curve. If this is the tangent, this is tangent to the curve. Example. Find directional derivative of phi equal to e raised to 2x cos of yz at 0, 0, 0 in a direction at t equal to pi by 4. Okay, so run solution. I'll change the page. Right, given sine of yz and derivative of yz with respect to yz. Okay, therefore substitute the values. To find directional derivative at substitute these values. 2i. Right. Once y is 0, z is 0, second and third term they are equal to 0. Now, along which direction the directional derivative is required? Tangent to the curve. Equation of curve. The equation of curve is also given to us. A cos t. Now, what is tangent? Okay. T equal to pi by 4. So substitute the values and find the answer. This is known to us. This is known to us. Change the page. Okay. A cap. Correct, na? Root to A. Therefore, what is A cap? So A can be cancelled. So now we are write the directional derivative. A cap. Sorry, something wrong. This is twice grad phi. A cap is so answer is -1. Okay, next example. Right.
सर आन्सर काय होता?
-1. हाँ. तुझं काय आहे? Find directional derivative of right. Find directional derivative of at the point in the direction of tangent to the curve e raised to t cos t e raised to t sin t at t equal to 0. चलो ट्राई करना है आपको सेम एज द प्रीवियस एग्जांपल. 5 minutes are there. Solve the example. Who got the answer? How many of you got the answer? अरे आंसर आया या नहीं? I'm audible. अरे आवाज येत नाही काय माझा?
ये
हाँ, तो कितने लोगों का आंसर आया?
सॉल्विंग सर.
हाँ, ठीक है, चलो अगला एग्जांपल देखते हैं. It is expected that we have solved one example. You should be able to solve the next example. चलो solve करो उसको. Homework next. Type number 3. बेटा. Directional derivative of normal to a surface. Alright, suppose is psi equal to c is equation of a curve. Then grad of psi is a normal to surface.
Hello sir.
हाँ,
By root 2.
okay.
By root 2 correct sir.
नाही, माझ्याकडे आन्सर नाही आहे. असेल बरोबर. राईट नाउ एक्झाम्पल. फाइंड directional derivative of phi equal to x y square plus y z cube at 2 1 1 in a direction of normal to surface. Just 1 minute. अच्छा है. It may be different or it may be same also. आपण differentच घेऊ, please, so that there will be no any confusion. 1 minus 2 3. Okay, so solution. Right. So grad phi equal to x equal to 2, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. Y is 1, x 2, y 1, y 1, z 1. This is grad phi. Now we have to find normal to the given surface. Right now. This is the another surface. Find the partial derivatives. Next page. Written everything. Yes. Spreadsheet. Right, these are the values of x, y, z. Substitute them 2xy, y square, 2xy, y square, plus x square, 2xy, 2yz. Thus,
पर 6 है का?
हो गया ना?
6J.
6J
हाँ, J तो 6 है का कोफिशिएंट?
नहीं 8 है ना? Is it wrong?
6J येते.
हो -4 येते ते. हे -4 येते.
हाँ 6.
6J -12 के करेक्ट. एक कैप राहिली. सॉरी. I'll write it here only.
ऍडमिशन इन्क्वायरी
लेक्चर सुरू आहे माझं सर्वात शेवट.
सर शेड्यूल
झिरो येते काय रे? इज इट 0?
No, sir.
30 है ना?
हाँ सॉरी -6. Is it like this? चलो नेक्स्ट पेज. Find. Any doubt here? Find directional derivative. At 1 - 1 1. Along direction normal to the surface x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9. Sphere at 1, 2, 2. Yes, solve it yourself. 5 minutes are there. Fast, go ahead. Try to get the answer. Everyone should able to solve example now. Try to solve the example. So now we are finding normal to the surface.
Minus 14 divided by 6
Minus 14
upon 6.
14 by 6. Correct. Now we have to find directional derivative. Minus 7 by 3. Check your answer. Hope everyone will be getting the same answer. Next, type number 4. Right with me? Note. किती वेळ झाला?
हे टाईप कोड तुमचा इथपर्यंत
अरे बाप.
हे इथपर्यंतच लिहिलंय.
हा, दिसते आता दिसते.
आय ई पासून इथपर्यंत काहीच नाही.
Okay. I'm audible? I'm audible.
Sir,
So I think for last some time there was some internet issue and you were not able to write it. Huh? So everything is there on the page. Please copy it.
Sir, page is not visible. Sir,
Fast copy it.
स्क्रीन शेअर करा ना.
sir, screen share करा. Sir, sir, hello, sir.
हॅलो सर.
स्क्रीन शेअर नाही केली तुम्ही.
परत एकदा ते सर्व हे झालं. अरे यार, क्या हो रहा है? बस.
झाली आता.
Hope you might have written it yourself. हे बघत बी नसतील ना मला.
इथपर्यंतच लिहिलंय सगळ्यांनी.
अच्छा. हाँ, so second point is magnitude of maximum directional derivative is mod of grad phi. Mod of del phi. Del phi and grad phi, both of them are same. Then write the question. In what direction from the point 2, 1, minus 1 is the directional derivative of phi equal to x square y z cube maximum? What is magnitude of this maximum? Okay, so our aim is to find direction as well as magnitude also. So at solution, given phi equal to x y z cube, then write del phi, find partial derivatives, then take the required point 2, 1, minus 1 and find grad phi. Right up to minus 4i minus 4j plus 12k. Yes, no written. Directional derivative is maximum along normal. Directional derivative is maximum along normal. That is along grad phi. What is grad phi? Minus 4i minus 4j plus 12. Then at our next, magnitude of maximum directional derivative is minus 4 square minus 4 square 12 square. One 76. See whether it is possible to simplify. Four root 11. So these are the two answers. Okay, next question. 32, page number 32. Find the directional derivative of phi equal to in the direction of find greatest rate of increase of phi. Please do this yourself. Type number 5. Finding constants ABC. Right example. If directional derivative of phi equal to maximum magnitude for in a direction parallel to x-axis. Find A, B, C. So write down. Given phi equal to So complete this.
रूट 101 मागच्या क्वेश्चन सांगतो टाइप 4 मधलं
हे solve करूया. Have you solved this?
a plus b z a plus b z b y plus cx b y plus cx.
So, right below this, right? Very important point, huh? Understand. So, right, directional derivative is maximum along what? Along normal. That is along grad phi. So along this direction, directional derivative is maximum. This is what we know from the whatever we studied till. But what is given in example? So this is known to us from the theory. Okay, but what is given in example? Directional derivative is maximum along x-axis and its magnitude is 4. But given in example that directional derivative is maximum along x-axis and its magnitude is 4. That is 4i. So above these two values, they give the same data, same direction. Okay, therefore, page number 33. Sorry. Compare ijk components. I component, j component, k component. Solve these three equations. So 1 minus 4, 1 minus 2, sorry. Add them. C is equal to 2.
B minus 2, A2.
Minus 2, na?
B.
B is minus 2.
And 8.
These are the values of ABC. Next. If right, find the values of constant ABC. So that directional derivative of pi equal to plus cx square y z square at 211 has maximum magnitude 12. Inner direction parallel to z-axis. Yes, try to solve this. Sir, solve करो. Solve करो इसको fast. Fast करें. आज काही दुसरं लेक्चर कोणतं आहे काय? पुढचं लेक्चर कोणतं? पुढचं लेक्चर कोणतं?
बघावं लागेल.
तर बहुतेक नसेल लेक्चर.
फ्लुइड मेकॅनिक्स 40
ते मीच घेतलं तेच घे. त्यानेच ते कोणाचं लेक्चर. तर कोण आलेलंच नाही दुसरं. आणि ऑफलाईनला कधी आलेत मला? ऑफलाईन कधीपासून आहे?
आपलं काय
इथं फिजिकली कधी येणार?
मी
बाकी मग
त्याच्यानंतर 10 येणार आहे.
आज किती तारीख?
8
अच्छा 10
बाकीच्या नंतर ते एंड ऑनलाईन जास्त मिळतात. त्यामुळे याची गरज नाही. आता भरपूर मुलं म्हणतात
त्याला ऑनलाईनच पाहिजे अजून म्हणजे 3 सेमिस्टर तर निघून जाते. झालीच नाही बरीच ना. कोणाचे श्लोक आहेत? अटेंडन्स, प्रेझेंट नंबर्स. One to 10, who is present? Roll number 1 to 10, who is present? You have to tell me your roll number. 7, okay. Who else? Roll number 1 to 10 कोई present है क्या? Okay. 11 to 20, who is present?
18
18, okay. Who else? तेजस किती नंबर तुझा?
31.
अच्छा. So 11 to 20, who else? Okay. 21 to 30. 30, ठीक है. Who else? 21 to 30, who else is present? कौन है? 40. Okay. 36, 33, 36, 38. Okay. 31 to 40. Present numbers are 33, 36, 38, 40. Who else is there?
31, sir.
31. Okay.
32, sir.
32. Okay. Anyone else?
39, sir.
39. Okay. Okay, great. Then
36.
36, I have written 33, 36, 38, 40, 31, 32, 39. Okay, these are the present numbers. Then 41 to 50, who is present?
44 present, sir.
44, 43. Who else? 43, 44. Okay. Now 51 onward, who is present?
54 present, sir.
53, 54,
55.
55. Okay. 52 is also present. Okay. 55 is present. Okay. 53 is present, right? 35, I have to write. Okay. 35 is also present. Who else? Who is remaining now? See, present numbers are 7, 18, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 43, 44, 53, 54, 55. Who else is present? Okay, you can give. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Poti is present.
A minus 2, B 8 आणि C 1/2.
बरोबर जमते ना ते असलंच काय सोपे माझं कॅल्सी कोड घेऊन गेला मला झोप यायला. ठीक आहे
टेलिफोन
वायरलेस
1 वर्ष झाला.
चांगलं चालतंय
हम्म.
चल
थँक्यू सर.
चल येणार आहेस का उद्या
येस सर.